We are here at McGorry's Boxing Club in Hamilton. We're testing out the viltrox adapter, and we are shooting Rodolfo. Pretty sick boxing club. We got some, most of the lighting's from top down, which is usual. I think we're probably gonna turn some of them off to give more of like an ambient lighting instead of to keep it more of like a high key situation. And then we're in the midst of setting up the phone for the Wi-Fi to use as my app. And then after that, we are going to start to shoot. And then we got DJ behind the camera shooting on the Canon R6 with the Tamron 24-70 lens in C-Log 3. So let me know how you guys think of what this image looks like. Those lights over there? Yeah. Here, just tell me how to do it. I'll do it. So we are gonna try the Xeen 24 mil. Oh yeah, there's tons of vignetting here. The Xeen here, underneath this light. I think this would be cool. We'll have the light coming down. I'm gonna actually do this in slow motion. Okay. Well, that's the key to get energetic shots is to always keep moving. Otherwise you're just gonna get a boring video. And the number one to get nice handheld shots is keeping it stable and heavy and global shutter.
So just